So SciSeedlets is a project that has evolved out of our work to talk about plants and communicate about plant science to non-scientist members of the public for the past decade. At this stage, SciSeedlets is a program for developing educational resources to deliver plant science education in classrooms and to empower teachers by putting all in one box lesson plan for giving a taste of what plant science is and also about learning the scope of STEM research and molecular STEM research in the class for the children.
The whole point of the SciSeedlets program is to bring some aspects of plant physiology and plant ecophysiology into awareness for students at all levels, simply coming to grips with how do plants grow, what are the factors that determine that growth, how do the plants interact with and respond to their environments. So it encourages engagement with plants at a level that is both fundamental and also practical in the long run.
So our trials with the SciSeedlets resources in classrooms in local primary schools has suggested that teachers find having a all-in-one box lesson plan a most welcome addition, which helps them deliver the curriculum in the classrooms. And with feedback from the pupils, we have realized that giving a taste of plant science research as a part of the curriculum when they are learning about biology is helping them to develop, first of all, an interest, as well as promoting the awareness about STEM education in the young minds. And this is going to hopefully take us a long way in having the next generation of plant scientists in the field. EDI, as we know, is very important for all kinds of education, especially STEM. In design of the SciSeedlets resources, we realized that when we use characters, especially for the SciSeedlets Taliana game, it was really important that these concepts were taken care of. We have resources that include characters that represent EDI, and our initial feedback is now showing that simply depicting diversity is having a huge impact in how pupils will perceive EDI in STEM education.
What the SciSeedlets program aims to do is to bring an awareness of plants within society and on the planet in order for students, whether they're primary school students or secondary or even in the university, to understand how important plants are in determining our very survival. And from that point of view, it is absolutely central to any aspect of both fundamental as well as practical science.
As the SciSeedlets resources develop and we test them, we have realized that there are two main activities that we need to do. One is to have a model where we can continue on developing the resources. These resources are built upon the research in our laboratories, and we want to keep the cutting-edge science that comes out of our labs to be continued to be communicated into the classrooms and for educational practices. And this requires an ongoing legacy of developments for the project. And secondly, it's really important that we are able to reach out to wider demographics and make the resources accessible to different people, not just in Scotland, but UK and also worldwide. And we are trying to develop SciSeedlets, therefore, as a social venture model, which will continue to feed these activities. SciSeedlets has enjoyed immense support, including funding as well as guidance. We have been supported by the Translational Research Initiative through their BBSRC Impact Accelerator accounts and continue to receive valuable advice and guidance for all aspects of the project. If you are interested in participating or finding out more about the SciSeedlets project, you can contact us on email, and you can also look at our website as well as our social media pages.